There are now less than few days remaining to the earliest rumored date for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release. Samsung's next anticipated flagship phone is likely coming in January to wage war on the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Aside from the potentially earlier announcement and release date, we seem to already know a lot about the upcoming device thanks to the wide barrage of leaks and rumors flying around. One thing is for sure, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a major step in the Galaxy S series evolution going forward. The majority of rumors regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra design claim that the Samsung might ditch armor aluminum and instead utilize titanium for the frame of the phone. This could make the flagship more rigid and corrosion resistant as well as boost its premiumness. The iPhone 15 Pro Max recently also substituted stainless steel for titanium, so it seems that the latter is quickly becoming the hot new commodity for flagships in 2023. This purported change in design would have saved the Galaxy S24 Ultra 1 gram of weight in comparison with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 233 gram versus 234 gram. This is peculiar as titanium normally much denser than aluminum, so it's quite incriminating that Samsung has successfully shaved off some weight. Below, you see our renders of the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy S24 Ultra et al. Yes, it is clear as a day that we shouldn't expect a radically different S24 Ultra. The frame and the display are flatter than the last year's Galaxy S23 Ultra, making for one very iPhone 12, 13 or 14 looking Galaxy S24 Ultra. So expect a super premium candy bar phone with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front in and back with an S Pen on deck and a mostly flat design. We don't anticipate any changes in the overall size of the phone, as the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display is unlikely to grow in size or shrink to a smaller footprint. In 2023, the news broke that Samsung has headhunted for the chief design officer of Mercedes-Benz China, Hubert H. Lee, who will be head of mobile experience at Samsung and could theoretically introduce design changes to the flagship. However, we don't expect a totally revamped design, as it feels like Samsung has definitely found its groove as far as its most advanced flagship looks and feel like. Now the most important part, should I wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? You should wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra if you have kept yourself from upgrading the Galaxy S22 Ultra or Galaxy S23 Ultra and are rocking on an aging Galaxy flagship. Think Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy S10 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra. Upgrading to the Galaxy S24 Ultra from any of those will almost certainly give you insane value and a vast improvement of your overall phone experience. You should not wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra if you have just scored a flagship in the last 2 years and have no qualms about it, as flagship smartphones have peaked long ago and the overall new tech adoption has somewhat slowed down. Upgrading every 2 years is no longer necessary. Thus, if you have a fairly recent phone that does the job for you just fine, it's somewhat unlikely that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the second coming of the priest. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.